Hi, this is Susan Dakuzaku with ExpandMyBrand.biz. We're excited to be launching a series of workshops starting on May 22nd in Rancho Cordova at the National University. The workshops are designed to help you expand your brand, get more visibility, more credibility, and to get more customers. The first workshop on May 22nd is entitled Orchestrate the Win-Win Workshop. And the goal is to help you design a workshop or webinar that will, one, attract people, be a win for them so that they will get something valuable out of it and be glad they attended, and a win for you, meaning you're going to get some new customers because of the information you present and the way you present it. So if you're interested in attending, visit ExpandMyBrand.biz. Look for more information about upcoming workshops that will help you get online with video, social media, as well as offline branding. So again, visit ExpandMyBrand.biz and hope to see you soon.